As soon as I saw it, I said, I want this watch bad. I know I wasn't the only one saying this, but what is it that makes Tudor so great? Welcome, dear friends and fellow watch lovers. My name is Dimitri Galanis from Liljenquist and Beckstead. Today, we'll be discussing some of my favorite timepieces introduced by Tudor, two releases from this past spring, as well as a mid-year introduction of a true icon. After being locked down and away from our Swiss friends for 2 years, we embarked on our annual journey to the horological center of the world, this time in Geneva, at the Watches and Wonders exposition. I'd like to focus on the wonders part for a moment, because where else can you possibly view the time-tested and honored Swiss tradition of watchmaking intersect cutting-edge technology with the explicit goal to make watches as beautiful, elegant, and as accurate as possible. Tudor really outdid themselves this year. From introductions of new watches to extensions of existing models, let's just say the Geneva-based manufacturer offered a watch for everyone. Personally, I would not want to choose because simply liked everything I saw and touched. The Black Bay Pro was certainly the talk of town. As soon as I saw it, I said, I want this watch bad. I know I wasn't the only one saying this, but what is it that makes Tudor so great? Without question, its humble beginnings, born shortly after World War II, although the name was registered in 1926. At a time of total economic devastation, the idea was simple yet necessary: make fine watches at a reasonable price range. In 1952, Tudor supplied the British North Greenland expedition with 26 Oyster Prince watches. These had been recently introduced, and the challenging weather conditions so far north would be the testing ground for the watches. Today's Black Bay Pro reflects the heritage of those early timepieces. The engineering team at Tudor created a 39mm steel case and fitted a fixed bezel with 24-hour markings. Inside the case we find the caliber MT 5652. This exclusive movement by Tudor is COSC certified, but with much stricter timing criteria of -2 to +4 seconds per day. In addition, it features a non-magnetic silicon balance spring and maintains a power reserve of 70 hours. Its built-in architecture is very deliberate, with a goal of maintaining a movement thickness of just 7.52mm. And that, dear friends, makes for a very comfortable watch that does not sit up high above the wrist. Now, a closer look at the case and dial reveals some very nice and practical details. The new design crown is made for maximum grip and screws down flush against the middle case. The hour markers are made of monoblock luminous ceramic, making it very visible at any time. In classic GMT style watch, the reference, which is the home time, is longer than the local hour hand, and in this case is colored in yellow for even easier legibility. The local hour hand can be dependently adjusted forward or backward, and the date is tied directly to this hour hand. The watch is water resistant to 200 meters, so you may jump in the pool, call your friends overseas, and later catch a transatlantic flight. It is available in 3 versions: on a brushed steel riveted bracelet that features a new Tudor exclusive buckle that has a T-fit adjustment for up to 8mm. Also, there's a hybrid black strap made of rubber and black leather. Finally, for that retro look, a jacquard fabric strap woven in France completes the look. Let us move on to the Black Bay GMT Steel and Gold. Another traveling companion, this one is a fresh, sophisticated approach to the classic stainless steel GMT. It maintains a familiar case of 41mm, but now we get yellow gold on the bezel, the crown, as well as on the bracelet. Now that's what I call traveling in style. Seriously, one watch from your morning meetings all the way traveling around the globe. A closer look now reveals some cool and historic aspects of the timepiece. The anodized aluminum bezel disc in matte brown and black gives that watch that classic root beer look that works flawlessly with the yellow gold. Also, take a look at the snowflake design on both hour hands, an original Tudor concept since 1969. Inside the watch, we find the familiar caliber MT 5652. You know, the one that also powers the Black Bay Pro. Keep in mind that the rotating bezel allows for an additional 3rd time zone. Once again, the robust construction provides for a waterproofness of 200 meters. There are 3 versions available. As I mentioned, the new steel and yellow gold bracelet for that elegant look, a brown leather strap as well as a jacquard strap for the bit more sporty approach. Next on our Tudor collection, we have the black Bay chronograph in steel and yellow gold. Here I have the one with the black dial, but keep in mind, a champagne dial with black sub-registers has just been added to the collection. I must say Tudor really took the black Bay Chrono in steel to the next level. Add yellow gold on the bezel, the crown, the pushers, and the bracelet, and voila, the watch is truly transformed. Inside the 41mm case, we find the caliber MT5813, also COSC certified. This beautiful and well-designed movement has 70-hour power autonomy. Tudor, of course, added a silicone balance spring, as well as a column wheel and vertical clutch for a smoother, more precise chronograph operation. I really like these details, as they are a true testament to Tudor's pursuit of excellence. Once again, the robust case is water-tested to 200 meters. For this watch, there are also 3 versions available: on steel and yellow gold riveted bracelet, on a brown leather strap with removable band, and on a black jacquard strap, as you see it right here. Finally, last but no way least, we have the mid-year offering of the Tudor Ranger. In fact, the watch was introduced on the 70th anniversary to the day of the British North Greenland expedition. It is a tool watch without question, celebrating the pioneering spirit of that adventure in the Northern Unknown expedition. The Oyster Prince Ranger, originally released in 1965, is the inspiration for this last timepiece. The Arabic numerals, markers, and hands are all fully luminescent. Inside the 39mm steel case, we find caliber MT5402, also COSC certified, while power autonomy is at 70 hours. It is water resistant to 100 meters and is offered in 3 versions: on a steel bracelet that features a T-fit clasp for rapid adjustment up to 8 millimeters, on a natural rubber and leather black strap, and on a jacquard fabric strap, as you see it right here. I really love the simplicity and the clean lines. If one only had one single watch to wear, God forbid, this would be it. I cannot think of another watch brand that delivers so much sophistication, design, reliability, and pedigree as Tudor does at a very modest price range. Please let us know what you think in the comments below. We invite you to visit us at Liljenquist and Beckstead to try our amazing Tudor watches. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon.